Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to be solving problem 14. It is called the longest common prefix. So we're going to be writing a function to find the longest common prefix string amongst an array of strings. If there is no common prefix, return an empty string. So if we look at this first example, we can see that the longest common prefix across all these strings is FL, because flower starts with FL, flow starts with FL, and flight starts with FL. But if we were to say try to get something of length 3, so we start with FLO, then we would find that, okay, flower and flow both start with FLO, but flight does not. So we know that the longest one must be the one of length 2, which is FL. So strings equals dog, race car, car. We can see that the first character is different in each of them. So the longest common prefix would be the empty string. There really is nothing in common across these strings. So how we're going to think about this is, let's solve this problem for just a pair of strings to begin with. So if we're given flower and flow, we would want to find the longest common prefix between flower and flow. So let's just longest common prefix. I know the title of this problem is also longest common prefix, but it has different casing. So we're just going to keep it like this. So we're going to step through from the length from 0 to the minimum of the length of string 1, the length of string 2. Now, if string 1I is not equal to string 2I, then we are going to return string 1 up to I. Now, if they are equal, then we're going to essentially just keep continuing until we try to find that first mismatch. If we get through the whole string, then what we can do is we can return the min of string 1 and string 2, and our key will be, it will just be the length of the strings. So we're going to return the minimum length string. So now that we have that longest common prefix for 2 strings solved, what we can do is we can set our res to be equal to the first string, and then we will step through each string within our array and reassign our res to be the longest common prefix between our current res so far and the string that we're looking at. Then we should just be able to return the result. Okay, so this seems to work, and it's accepted. Yeah, just quickly going over that again. So we would get that the longest common prefix between flower and flow is flow. So our res is now flow. Then we go to flight and flow, and we find that the longest common prefix between flight and flow is FL. So we know across all of the strings, we found the longest common prefix must be FL. Thank you so much for watching. Please click like and subscribe. Let me know if you have any other questions in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one.